FastMCP implements a provider-based resource discovery mechanism that exposes agent skills as standardized MCP resources, enabling cross-tool skill sharing through a unified API abstraction. The SkillsDirectoryProvider class serves as the primary interface for scanning skill directories and generating resource manifests that clients can query programmatically. We are about to examine how the provider is configured to manage supporting files through a template-based disclosure pattern, which controls resource visibility while maintaining efficient client-side discovery workflows. The initialization sequence establishes the root directory path and sets the default supporting file's behavior to template mode, which we will analyze in detail.
From passlib import path. From FastMCP server provider's skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider. Hash default behavior supporting files hidden from list resources. Provider equals SkillsDirectoryProvider. Roots equals path, home/Claude/skills. Supporting files equals template. Hash this is the default.
This code demonstrates the configuration of a SkillsDirectoryProvider with the supporting files parameter set to template, which is the default behavior. The provider is initialized to scan the / Claude/skills directory for skill resources, treating supporting files as hidden from the initial resource listing. The supporting files equals template setting means that while the main skill file and manifest are visible in list resources, supporting files are not individually listed. Instead, clients must first read the manifest to discover what supporting files exist, then request them by URI. This approach keeps the resource list compact, which is particularly useful when skills contain many supporting files, reducing initial discovery overhead. This configuration is ideal for scenarios where clients primarily need the main skill instructions and can fetch supporting files on demand. It balances discovery efficiency with access flexibility, though it requires an extra step for clients that need supporting files. The default setting reflects a common use case where most clients interact with the main skill content, while advanced clients can still access all files through the manifest. Let's break it down.
From passlib import path.
Imports path from the pathlib module for cross-platform file system path manipulation.
From FastMCP server provider's skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider.
Imports the SkillsDirectoryProvider class from the FastMCP server provider's module, which enables access to AI agent skills stored in directory structures as MCP resources.
Provider equals SkillsDirectoryProvider.
Creates a SkillsDirectoryProvider instance and assigns it to the variable provider. This provider will expose skill directories as MCP resources, making them discoverable and accessible through the FastMCP protocol. The specific configuration details like directory paths or supporting file handling aren't visible in this line, but the provider is initialized to manage and serve skill-related resources.
Roots equals path, home/Claude/skills.
Constructs a file system path pointing to the user's home directory, then appends the Claude subdirectory followed by the skills subdirectory. The resulting path object represents the location where Claude skill files are stored on the local system.
Supporting files equals template. Hash this is the default.
Sets the default value for the supporting files parameter to template, which configures how supporting files and skills are exposed. With this setting, supporting files are accessed through a resource template rather than being listed as individual resources in the resource list. The SkillsDirectoryProvider implements a template-based disclosure pattern for skill resources, where supporting files are hidden from the initial resource listing but remain accessible through the manifest. By setting supporting files equals template, the provider keeps the resource list compact while still allowing clients to discover and fetch supporting files on demand. This design balances discovery efficiency with access flexibility, making it ideal for scenarios where most clients interact with the main skill content, while advanced clients can still access all files through the manifest. The provider's configuration, including the root directory path and supporting files behavior, works together to enable cross-tool skill sharing through a unified API abstraction.
The provider hands you every file, but pockets the manifest like a magician's last trick.